Hello again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Jason Brown here, coming to you with yet another video, and appreciate you being here as always. If you get some value out of this, please leave me any comments that you want, any input that you have, and certainly down below click that subscribe button, or maybe it's off to the side over here. Click that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of these tips that I'm gonna be giving out, any information on this new program, or any of that, all that good stuff. So again, appreciate you being here. My name again is Jason Brown, and this is my YouTube channel. Hopefully is where you found this. If not, I'm guessing you found this because you are interested in working from home and looking to make some side income, looking to supplement some income maybe that's been lost during this crazy pandemic. Whatever the case, I'm happy you're here. You've found the right place, and I don't say that lightly. I've been in this online space for a couple years now, and it's a challenge. It can be rough, and so I don't say that lightly, just putting it out there to be in the right place because I have the best thing since sliced bread, or any of those corny analogies. But I say it because I certainly have found something that is changing my life, and it's changing my financial situation, my time situation, along with many others from our team. So again, appreciate you being here, and I'm going to just share a few things. I know I made one video about this program already. I'm adding to that, if you will, or just give some more information. I'm going to continue to do so as we continue to build this platform, as we continue to get more and more people involved and excited and earning money. I mentioned that in just 8 weeks, there's been over $80,000 in sales and commissions that have been paid out there from. And it's pretty impressive. It's outstanding. That's just 2 months in, 60 days, not even 90 days into a brand new platform, and already to be seeing those kind of numbers is incredible. So myself, I've been in just about 6 weeks. I've earned $800, which I'm quite proud of, and I'm certainly learning some new skills and tools to be able to build much more. In fact, that's going to be already happening here very quickly. But things that I'm learning that I'm able to use, not just today, not just tomorrow, but going forward, that no one's going to be able to take those away from me. Things that I'm learning as far as social media, how and when and where to share, and things to build your own page, to build your own brand, to build your own presence. I'm sure now there's plenty of people kind of say, oh yeah, I know what it is. Oh, I've heard this. Oh, I've done that. I'm going to encourage you to not be closed-minded on this one, and to take a good solid look. Do your own due diligence. Not saying it's the perfect fit for every single person out there, but I'd be willing to bet it's worth everyone taking a look and seeing how and if it can fit into what you're doing. Price points are very reasonable. We got 5 different packages that you can come in at, and we really, this is for the newbie all the way up to the vet, and everybody in between. There's really nobody that's left out, if you will. There's really nobody that can't benefit from this. The training, I can't say enough about the training. The training is outstanding. This is not just your regular digital media stuff where you get a bunch of recorded videos from 15 years ago that don't carry much weight any longer. Not to say all that stuff's bad. There's good stuff everywhere if you look hard enough. But all of this stuff is current. All of this stuff is working now. All of this stuff has literally changed my social media presence in 6 weeks. In fact, probably in 4 weeks, but certainly in 6 weeks. And in fact, not even quite 6 weeks. So my presence on social media, specifically Facebook, has completely done a 180 just since I've started this program, which is outstanding. It's exactly what I've looked for. It's exactly what I've struggled with. All the things that are becoming more and more clear, and I still have so much to learn, still have so much that I'm going to get better at. It's exciting. And I've mentioned before, I don't do hype, but I do excitement. And when something's good and something's working, and it's working not just for myself, but for my teammates and everyone else who's involved in the program, that is exciting. And when people are making money that have never made money before, and they're making it quickly, this program, you can get involved, and there's people making, and I'm not making any guarantees, please don't misquote me. There's people that are making money within their first week or 2. There's people making money in their first 3 weeks. There's people, all the way, but nobody's going I shouldn't even, I don't want to make any claims, but everyone that I'm involved with and everyone on our team has made some sort of income in the first month that they're in the business. Most of them much less than that. So having said that, the training I mentioned, there's live weekly training where we all get on with the mentor, our mentor, and she takes us through exactly step by step. This is dummy proof. And I don't mean that as a slight. What I'm saying is it's all spelled out. You can then go back and watch the replays. What I'm saying is those replays are in your back office for you. You own those once you're in the platform. No one's going to they're not taking those away from you. You can go watch it today. You can go watch it in a week. You can watch it in 6 months. You can watch it 17 times in between. Those are yours. And I would tell you, they're invaluable. And you know, plenty of, oh, I've seen that. I've done that. I've done that. Well, something's not working, right? This works. Okay. My engagement on Facebook has tripled. My reach, if you will, you know, understanding of the algorithm, the just overall people looking for me and what I'm doing, and people on our team the same. It's all happening now, and add to that, we're making an income as well, and really haven't even started to share the platform, if you will. It's outstanding. So we do have, you know, the amount of income that you can earn. It can be affected by some daily income producing activities that we're all responsible for, daily and weekly. And I will say they're simple. They don't necessarily have to be easy. I don't like to say things are easy, but they're simple if you're willing to follow the steps. They're simple if you're willing to put a little bit of time into a business that you invest a little bit of your money in. You should be willing to put some of your time into that to make it work. Make it work for you. The support from our mentor, the support from success coaches, the support from our team is incredible. There's not a day that goes by that people aren't getting support for all different kinds of things. And we have a chat, we have a Facebook group that's always, the Facebook group is hype. And you know, people are excited, and I said I don't do hype, but people are hyped up, I should say, not making false accusations and quotes and those sorts of things. But you know, everybody encourages everyone. New people that are interested in the business that haven't signed up yet, they're welcome to come into our group, see what we're doing, see how we're doing it, see who's winning, see that we're all winning. I don't just say that lightly either. And you know, create that buzz, the buzz that everyone's looking for, the feeling of team and camaraderie and working and building together. We all have our own business, but we're all building the same kind of business, the same kinds of ways. No copycats. We're not all doing the exact same things, but we have the same theories behind everything that we're doing, and making it our own, if you will. So I can't stress enough that you take the time and at least take a look at this. I'll have my information below. I'll have my website. You can join us. I'll have the weekly webinar. I believe I mentioned we have a weekly webinar every Wednesday. That's at 7 Eastern Time, 6 Central Standard Time, 4 Pacific Time. I don't leave anybody out except obviously the people. If I spend all the time trying to say the different time zones, I might be here a while and I would definitely mess it up. So if you're not sure what time it is for you, reach out, let me know. I have my email address. You can connect with me on Facebook. I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, comments, you want to tell me how amazing this program has been for you, I'd love to hear about it. So please take the time, click the link below. Make sure you get subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be sharing lots more. At this point, I know I've been kind of surface with what it is and what we're doing, but the Successful Solution Method is outstanding. It's a new platform. I don't shy or run away from the fact that it's only eight weeks old, because we are barely just hitting the ground and we are running. We are literally running. The ignition we're ignited, we're flying, and I encourage you to jump on, and I encourage you to at least take a look. Make sure it's not a fit for you. I'd be surprised if it wasn't. Again, I mentioned price points, 5 different packages. We have the success coaches. Everybody gets a success coach that once they sign up, you immediately are connected with them. I don't mean like electronically, bam, it just happens. I'm just saying they'll reach out. They'll say, hey, can we schedule a time? You get at least 15 minutes of their time. You have access to them on Messenger. You have access to teammates. All those things. There is nobody left behind. No child left behind. Nobody left behind. We're all in this together. Everybody wants to win. Everybody wants to help and see each other win. And the support is outstanding. So thanks again for being here. Thanks again for watching this. Hopefully you've stayed all the way through and you found some value in this. I look forward to seeing you in our Facebook group or on the next webinar, as I mentioned, every Wednesday. And I look forward to seeing you at the top for sure. So appreciate you. Jason Brown again. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.